Hello guys, welcome to my channel Techmania. So today I'm gonna tell you how to create password secured folders to secure your secret files. So let's start. Now first of all, I'm gonna type command prompt and I'm gonna create a folder in my desktop directory. So for that, I'll just cd to my desktop using OneDrive, and then after coming into desktop directory, then I'll make a new directory or a folder. So I'll use command mkdir and make a new folder, secret folder. So I'll hit enter and I'll have a new folder that is secret. So now I want to direct inside this secret folder, so I'll use cd secret. Now after this, I'll make a file in it which I want to hide. So for the file, I'll use echo command, echo dot bracket and secret dot txt file. You can name the file anything. So after this, I'll open the secret.txt file using this command. If you're not familiar with this command, then you can check my previous video, the link is in the description below. So I'll just hit enter and the notepad file opens. Now I can type something. This is a secret file and I'm gonna just save it. It's saved now and I'll just cancel it, and then I'll create another file in this directory, echo, and I'll name this as lock.txt. So I'll just hit enter and now I'll open this log.txt file. It's again notepad file, and here I want you to copy a code which is given in my description below. So just you have to copy the code. I'm just pasting it, and here the code is, and inside this code go to your if not %pass line, and then in place of your password just type any password which you want, like I am typing 123, and make sure that there is space after 123 and before 123, and then just tap on file and save as lock.bat. Now you have to change the extension of it, so you have to make it a batch file and change the save as type to all files, and save in the same folder which you want to hide. So just click on save and close it. Now open that secret folder. We have a log.batch file. This is a Windows batch file. Now just double click on log.batch file and you'll see a folder private. So you can just drag and drop the files which you want to hide. So now just double click on this log.batch file and it is asking, are you sure you want to log this folder? So you just have to type capital Y and just hit enter, and you will see the private folder has disappeared. You can add any file in that private folder, like video file or images which you want to hide, and there you are. Now if you double click on log.batch file, it is asking for password, and you know the password was 123 which you typed in the log.batch file. Now after you hit enter, you can see the private folder is again visible, and you can visit the files which you have hidden inside the private folder. Now again you will double tap this log.batch file. So it is asking that if again you want to lock this folder or not. You again have to do Y and hit enter, and again it's not visible. for more security, you can just right click on it, go to the properties, and inside this properties you can just select hidden and apply, and just click OK, and see the log.batch file is also hidden. So for that, if you want to again get log.batch file, just go to your file, change folders and search option, go to your view and click on show hidden files, folders and drivers, and click apply, and you'll see the log file is again available, and there you are. So if you enjoyed the video, then just like, subscribe and share my channel, and thank you for the support in the previous videos. I'll bring up new interesting content. So till then, goodbye.